How to make a chat on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make a chat on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to make a chat on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch a Snapchat application and make sure that you're signed into the account. Now if you want to make a chat, come to the chat page over here. You'll see all the existing chats that you have with these particular people here, where you can simply send them a message, call them and do whatever. If you want to create a new chat, tap on this little option here, tap on new chat and then simply select the person to whom you want to maybe let's say send a chat, and then tap the chat option if you want to chat with that particular person. This way you can make a chat on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.